Hello everyone, welcome to the Secret Magicians Club. I'm Eddy Ray. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn water into ice. Without a refrigerator, stay tuned. So we have a little bit of water in my water bottle here. That's pretty good. And we have my magic mug here as well. I want you to watch close. I'm going to pour some of the water inside the mug and not spill it all over myself. Whoa. That's pretty good. And all we have to do is breathe some magic breath over the mug. Watch. And hopefully by snapping, we get some ice. Just like that. Take a look. Secret. I recommend having a bottle of water on hand, whether it's a bottle like this, or just a regular bottle of water from the store, that's fine too. So they can see it, of course. That way they know it's real water. So have that ready to go. And you also have to set up a couple little things ahead of time before you perform the trick. And you need a mug. Make sure it's opaque. They can't see inside of it. And we have our ice cubes right here. Now, you can go a couple of different ways with this. These are actually fake ice cubes, but you can use real ones. Just make sure you do the trick in enough time before they actually melt. That would not be good. So these are fake. They're plastic. I got these at a gag shop, but I'm sure you can find them on eBay or something like that, or Amazon. Just type in fake ice cubes or gag ice, and they're pretty cool. But again, you can use real ice too. Just make sure it doesn't melt before you do the trick, okay? So you have those. And the other secret is this. Inside of here is a paper towel. And this was used in the performance, so it is full of water, just like that. I'm going to place this over here and get rid of that one. So you can use, usually 1 or 2 sheets is plenty. Bundle it a little bit and just gently push it into the bottom of the mug like this. Make sure they can't see it sticking out, that would not be good. And rest your real ice cubes or your fake ice cubes just on top, very gently on top of that paper towel. And this is all set up ahead of time. And you're ready to go. Very important, nobody sees down with their vision and sees inside the mug. So keep the mug above eye level at all times. Or if you're further away, put it on your table behind something else temporarily. All right, so you have your water bottle. Give it a few shakes like this so they can see there's real water. Take a sip if you want. Grab your mug. Be careful not to jiggle the mug, otherwise they'll hear that. So be very, very careful, very steady. And slowly pour some water inside. Now, not too much, just enough so they can see it go inside. If you pour too much, you're going to actually have a wet hand or wet floor after the trick's over with. So here we go. Just so they can see a little bit like that. Give it a few seconds, and that paper towel will actually absorb all of the water. Do your magic. Wave your hand over top. Breathe towards the mug. Turn it upside down like this. And there's your ice. Whether it's real or fake, it's up to you. The cool thing about this, if you use real ice, pass the ice out to them to look at and inspect. And also, when the mug's upside down, that paper towel stays inside because the water absorbs, it sticks almost like glue inside, won't come out. And that is how you turn water into ice. Hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button for us, subscribe, and if you want to see more, stay tuned for many more magic videos soon. I'm Eddy Ray, have a great day.